We do have 3 airplanes. In the history of airplanes, the A's and the B's and the C's tended to mean upgraded versions. In this program, there are 3 airplanes. The A is the Air Force airplane designed to take off and land on long runways. It is the airplane of general choice for the international community. There are some exceptions to that. In the middle of the F-35B is designed to replace the Harrier. It is doing vertical landings, short takeoffs. We had a 56-knot takeoff the other day in about 250 feet. So it is performing to the requirements of the expeditionary and short ship operations. The Italian Navy will also participate in that procurement, and I think when the airplane gets completely tested, you'll find more interest in other areas. F-35C, designed to take off and land on a big carrier with catapults and arresting gear. The UK has recently modified their order from the Stovall to the CV airplane. So we have an international participation now in all 3 of the variants. When you're in the airplane and you're sitting in the cockpit and you're flying your mission, you don't know which airplane you're in. They're identical. All the switchology is the same, stick and throttle is the same, flight controls are the same. When you're taking off and landing, that's where the airplanes are unique in the way they're built. We talked just briefly about the fighter production system. We looked at this challenge that we had, which had to do with a global supply chain, which had to do with more advanced high-speed machining, more advanced composites. And we said we needed to have a systems engineering approach to how we're going to manage the whole production process on this program. So we coined this term called the fighter production system, but it involves a lot of pieces. It involves the expansion of the digital thread. It involves working on processes and systems that are common, particularly with second sources of major assemblies. No matter where the parts or assemblies are made, or even where final assembly is done, right now we're standing up a new final assembly facility in Italy, which you may have read about. It will augment the one in Fort Worth. Those airplanes are all Lockheed Martin airplanes. They all have the Lockheed Martin star on the rudder pedal, and they're all DD-250'd and sold to the US government as Lockheed Martin airplanes. So we have to make sure those processes are our processes. We do also work on people and performance and tech transfer. All that's part of it. So it's a big effort to make sure that we are managing the risk of our very dependent supply chain activity and our final assembly facilities going forward.